Hope that it's not covering it. All right, y'all. So I got a fresh permanent bead. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. These earrings are for promo. I gotta do promo for these earrings. I'm gonna do a soft basic look because we gotta get up out of here. Once again, we always gotta get up out of here. I'm always late. So I don't know. I wanna go live, but then at the same time I don't. I might just record me doing makeup right here. Because it's promo, it's not a video. So I'm just gonna do something basic. Slight. My nails, I'm trying to take them off because she did send press-ons. So I'm trying to take these off because they're ready to come off anyways. And I'm getting them done. Not today, but probably next week. So yeah. My skin looking okay. Freshly washed. But yeah. I'm gonna go do my makeup so we can get up out of here. It's Tuesday. We're finna go to a bar. Ladies with her daddy because, you know, the setback from when we had the coronavirus. She had to stay with me for 2 weeks. So she came back yesterday, but she with her daddy stay. And she come back tomorrow. So might as well just go out, do something. So yeah, y'all. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna come right back. So y'all know the vibes. Y'all know what's going on. I don't think I can zoom y'all in unless I get close like this. Okay, so yeah, this is my background, y'all. So this camera quality, this camera that I'm blogging on is my vlog camera. This is the EOS. I think this is the M100. I'm not for sure. But yeah, I'm supposed to be promoting this company right here. It's called It Girl Club, y'all. And right here, y'all, it's like a bunch of nostalgia pieces. I don't know if y'all seen Aaliyah J video where she talks about all the outfits that she wore back in the day. I like all of those, especially the airbrush shirts. Y'all remember we used to wear the belt with the name going across? I used to have that one, and I used to have a big B with the diamonds in it. I want to get the white shirt dirty. But yeah, she sent this shirt. It's like a crop top, and it says It Girl on it, and then a hat to go with it. So right now, I'm supposed to be doing 4 posts, but I'm just going to be promoting the earrings, and she sent the bucket hat. So I got like an idea plan for that because the colors is pink, blue, and white. So I got a plan for this one. But you got the scrunchie. Remember the ponytail with the scrunchie? Like I could put the scrunchie on this ponytail with the earrings, and then like a blue and white look or something like that, like back in the day. Then she got an eyebrow pencil. Oh, and remember these? Remember these glasses? Remember these? Ooh, remember these back in the day? Just a lot of stuff you could do. With these. Then she said some shimmers, some edge control with the keychain back in the day. Remember we used to wear these volleyballs on our on the sock. I think this is the eyebrow pencil, so I'm gonna use this one today. And then I'm gonna use the lip gloss. I'm gonna use this palette today too. I'm gonna use this palette today as well. So I'll probably use these browns and then blacks and then throw the nude and a cute wing liner. Then y'all, she said these press-ons. These are so cute. Y'all see these press-ons? I take these off and try to put these on, but I probably might not have time today. So y'all probably get this hand, like I probably like film this hand or something like that. Cause I don't have no press. Or what I do is I probably put my press-ons on this hand. I don't know. We got my It Girl Club, Brow Club. And this is in the shade number 4. Okay. Look at Mama naked booty. Y'all, her booty out. So? I want to see her booty. There you go. Y'all see it?
You want people to be calling me, right?
Girl, who finna call you? That booty gets done in, honey. That booty gets done in. I'm gonna come back when my brows is done, y'all. So I mixed two foundations together. So I just got this one, and then I mixed these two together on the outer parts. And I did go ahead with this in the middle in my face. This is Estee Lauder, the shade 6W1. I don't think it's my color. It's like too bright for me, but I love how basic and simple this look is. It came out. So now I'm gonna highlight, and I love the foundation combo. So I'm gonna highlight with tan sand and deep sand tan, or I'm gonna highlight with tan sand. I'm not even gonna contour yet. I was doing a little TikTok. Or chi. I want to say chi or chai, just to give it some balance on the ends, like right there. It's like a gradient effect. I be learning this stuff, trying to learn it from Taylor Made. Okay. Can y'all see how that just blended? I'm done with this. I'm gonna come back when it's time for the lips because I might do some extra shit. So I'll come back.
No, you ain't changed the block. The shit used to be so fun. And that niggas used to go to at the back. You been there? Your sister went out tonight?
No, she not.
I had seen her with the outfit
Shut
on.
up.
I thought she was gone.
Shut up, y'all.
Shut up, everybody. Shut up. Keep going. It's like, really, bro?
Okay, good. This place called? We at Didi's, y'all. So this is what we had came. It's crowded inside, and ain't nobody really wearing no mask, so we staying away from that.
Hell yeah.
We staying away from that, baby. We just ordered some food, a lobster tail. Well, I ordered lobster tail and some shrimp. My mama had some wings. Shakita got some egg rolls. Corey, what you got? Egg roll. He got an egg roll too. My nails coming. Oh yes, you should have, girl. Oh, you got some? No. Yes, we is. Oh. Yes, Corey, we is not. No, I could take one now. You ain't. No, we was drunk and took a gummy. That's the thing.
Them gummies strong. They 10 milligrams.
For real? Now let me get half of it.
Right.
Oh, look at this. I forgot they were small last time.
Yeah.
They weren't even that big. I know. I swear they wasn't. Look at this off the tail. Mama digging in my food. Girl. You always have a mad look on your face, girl. Fix your face. Okay. So good. What be wrong with this microphone? Let me tilt y'all up, but this microphone be dying quick, and I did recently go get it fixed, so I don't understand what's going on. So I'm gonna talk to y'all on my mic. That I'm just basically what I'm doing is I'm checking emails. I just got back home. The place was cool, it was chill. Nothing really major. It's a Tuesday, so ain't nothing really gonna be turned. Well, some places do probably be turned, but it's a Tuesday, so I'm not really on nothing. I really want this Louis Vuitton bag. I seen Aaliyah faces with it. And it's not a bag, it's like an accessory. It's so cute. It's like a box bag. Like an acrylic bag. But acrylic thing that you can put jewelry in. But everybody is making it into a bag. So I want to get that. I think I might get that this weekend, y'all. This is my favorite juice. Apple cranberry. Mr. Pure. Y'all be on vlogs, but I do not be doing nothing. I don't be doing nothing at all. So I just only vlog when I either am buying something, doing something. Because basically, this is what I be doing. This is what I be doing all day. If I don't get up and do a tutorial, if I do a tutorial, I'll give y'all the tutorial, and then I come right back in bed. Like, I don't really do nothing. My life is like pretty boring unless I'm doing something. And half of the time, I be trying to find places to go, y'all. Bitch, I don't have no friends like that. I don't have no friends like that. I do not have no friends like that at all. And then you have friends, then they go missing, you know? Girl, I'll be by myself, okay? I was gonna go over there, but he doing a tattoo. I was telling him, I'm like, oh well, I just come up, cause I know his friend. So I'm like, let me go over your friend's house. You know, while you doing a tattoo, you know, I could just wait on y'all. Wait on you until you get done. He no. I'm like, baby, once I'm put up, I'm put up. I ain't coming back outside the house for nothing. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, y'all. Y'all already know this. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next vlog. Whenever I do that, I'm gonna see y'all.